The inspiring history of Mozambique, from struggle to triumph. Did you know Mozambique was once a bustling trade hub, bridging Africa, Arabia, and Europe? For centuries, its lands echoed vibrant exchanges of gold, spices, and ideas, creating a unique cultural tapestry. This was no ordinary nation. It was a melting pot of global influence at the edge of Africa. But this vibrant land faced dark times. In the 1500s, Portuguese colonizers claimed Mozambique, exploiting its riches and people for centuries. Their rule sowed seeds of suffering, but also a fire for freedom. The resolve to reclaim justice would spark one of Africa's most notable independence struggles. Mozambique's War of Independence raged from 1964 to 1974, a grueling fight for dignity and self-rule. When the nation finally broke free in 1975, it was a moment of triumph and hope. Yet the road ahead remained steep, reminding the world that freedom often carries a heavy cost. Post-independence, Mozambique endured civil war and economic difficulties. But this resilient nation never gave up. Year by year, it inched toward peace and growth, becoming a symbol of endurance and the power of unity. Today, Mozambique's story continues, living proof of overcoming adversity. Mozambique's journey is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. So, dive deeper into its incredible history. Like, share, and follow for more untold stories of resilience and transformation from around the world. Let's celebrate the lessons of the past to build a brighter future together.